Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to buy Bitcoin on Revolut in 2025, step by step. Whether you're new to crypto or just trying out Revolut, this guide makes it simple. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Revolut app and make sure your identity is verified. Crypto features won't work without verification. Step 2. Tap the Crypto tab from the home screen or use the search bar to find Bitcoin. Step 3. Tap on Bitcoin and then select Buy. Step 4. Choose how much you want to spend. You can buy using your Revolut balance or link a bank card. Step 5. Confirm the purchase details, including the amount and current exchange rate. Then tap Buy Now. Step 6. Your Bitcoin will now show up in your crypto portfolio within Revolut. Note: Revolut charges a small fee for crypto transactions, so make sure to review it before confirming. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin using Revolut in 2025. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy-to-follow crypto and finance guides. Thanks for watching.